Good morning, guys. Yep. Enjoying the cool weather up here. Got here late afternoon yesterday, settled in, relaxed, enjoyed the stars. It started getting cold. Went to bed early, got up, made breakfast. I haven't eaten it yet, but that's coming up next. I'm going to be putting up rain gutters. It's time to start setting up my rain catchment system. So the rain gutters, I'm going to start with the cabin side, the far side. And then if I have time permitted, I'm going to continue on with the overhang side that I worked on last week. I am feeling much better from my plunge. Thank you for all those kind words. It was a blessing that I did not get hurt worse than I did, because that fall was 10 feet high, and then my shins stopped the fall, and then I dove forward at my deck, and then I landed half on my deck and then back onto the ground. You don't see that on the camera, but yeah, I was fortunate. God was watching. So anyway, now that we got things all settled up, I've got to cut my tin on the overhang because it's sticking out about a foot. I just didn't want to drip down right along the cabin because I wasn't going to have a gutter for a while, so I have it stick out a foot. So I got to trim that couple of inches to leave a couple of inches overhang, and then I'm going to install my gutter from one end to the other and then along the back. Hopefully I'll have enough time for the other side. So I'm here today, I'm leaving tomorrow, sometime tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not working till Saturday, so. Big changes coming. Got notified that our schedule is changing again. So I had a month and a half of what I really enjoyed working, 3 days a week, day shift. Now, we'll see. I'll find out Friday what I end up with. Might end up back on nights. So, anyway, changes and adjustments and whatnot. So it is what it is. But, and I'm enjoying every minute I come up here. So, well, without further ado, guys, you know it. Enjoy the show. All right, guys. Well, I cut the tin all the way across. As you can see, well, that clears up that side pretty much from what I'm used to seeing. But I'm gonna put my 5-inch rain gutter. I've got a fascia lip all the way across. I'm gonna slide it underneath and then screw it on at a slight angle so it empties down at the back end of the cabin. So stick with me and enjoy the show. All right, guys, I got some silicone and end cap on the left hand side. I'm gonna fit that silicone mat right in here, and then it's gonna go down, the angle is gonna go down towards the left, which is the back side. And then I've got a hanger to screw in right here. I've got another one for the middle and one for the end. Yeah, so let's go with it. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the fire here a little bit. Stay warm. It's a cooler night, so I really appreciate you guys sticking around for this gutter rain catchment start. I do have to get that back wall so I can finish that rain catchment gutters coming down on each side, collecting my barrel. So yeah, enjoying the fire, having a few cold ones here. Cold bear. And until next time, ciao.